Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to remove the tray. The tray is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply remove the tray. Now you can remove the whole thing right here. Let me do it. And here you can insert the micro SD and 2 Nano SIM cards. So let me do it. Let's start with the Nano SIM card. So let me insert the first one with the characteristic edge right here. Alright. Let's insert the second one. Also with the characteristic edge right here. And let's insert the whole slot, the whole micro SD in that slot. And now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let me do it to the end. Let's close the protection, and now you can switch on the device and check out if your cards are working properly. The phone is turning on, so let's wait a few seconds. Alright, if you have the pin, you need to enter the pin protection. Alright, so now as you can see, you can choose settings, you can select network and internet, and here you've got the information about your SIM cards. Both cards are working properly. Let's go back twice. Here you can also choose the storage, and here you've got the info about the SD card. So both cards are working properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.